Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use pre-sequenced routes in the Adiona system so that you can load in existing work plans, existing delivery routes that were already made in some other way, and you want to be able to display them and manipulate them and export them from Adiona. So I'm on the upload scenario page here, and I'm going to select my high-density VRP model. I'm going to show you how to upload the depots via a CSV file. So I've got them preloaded here. I'm then going to start a shift. The shift needs to start early, so I'm going to select 5 a.m. for the shift, and I'm going to leave everything else as a default. I'm going to upload my vehicles, but because I've got multiple zones here, and each zone has a different vehicle type or different fleet, I need to select my unique vehicles per zone button here. I'm keeping it set to truck transport method, but that's going to be included, the transport method is included in the unique vehicles per zone file. And I'm going to upload my vehicles. Remember, you can download examples of these sheets with all of those parameters straight here from the upload page. And now you can see I've got my vehicle pool displayed down here. I've got the depot that they're associated with and the transport mode they're associated with, as well as all the other capacities and things that I need. And now I'm going to upload the customer data. Customer data goes in here, and I'm going to give it a name, pre-sequenced demo. Now I'm going to keep this set to delayed. I want to be able to review it, and I also need to optimize it in manual mode, which means that I need to keep this set to delayed when I upload all the data. And then I'm going to click into that scenario. And you can see on my input page, I have all of the jobs. I have all of my jobs in 2 different zones delineated by this dotted line. And in order to keep them in their existing sequence as they were uploaded with a route name and a sequence, I don't want to send them through to the optimize engine and have it completely redone. I can do that, but in this case, when I click optimize, I'm going to click skip optimization and route manually. And if there's any pre-sequenced information in the dataset, that allows me to then view it on the optimized page. And I get a little warning here just reminding me that no actual optimization is going to be done. Instead, it's just going to be passed through to the optimized page. And if I open that up now, you can see across the top here, I have 2 zones, south and north and south, and I've got my pre-sequenced routes. Now, these routes have been loaded in the exact order that they were provided to us numerically. And right now, there's no ETA or timing associated with them because we weren't provided that information. So instead, we can calculate it. So very quickly, I can take one of these routes, and instead of re-optimizing, because re-optimizing will put them in our preferred optimal sequence, I'm going to just query for the ETAs. And this will allow me to then see what the predicted real on-road time and distance for this route will be in that sequence. It'll preserve the sequence and then tell us those details about the run. And as normal, once I do that to all of these runs, I can download the detailed data for the sequences and the arrival and departure times, and then obviously my route summaries as well. And now you can see in this route, the sequence has been preserved, but we've simply recalculated the arrival and departure time for each stop. And then, of course, if I'm happy with this, with my 20 drops, my 5.5 hours runtime, 87 kilometers, I can keep it. Or if I'd like, I can go in and re-optimize it completely and get a brand new sequence and do all the other things that I could normally do with any Adiona dataset. So hopefully this gives you some ideas about how to load in pre-sequenced routes, analyze them, and then potentially optimize them and compare them to baseline scenarios. Thank you.